Today we're back with the install videos again, this time on my brother's 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse. So right now, what we're going to do today is how to remove your taillights. So we actually had some taillights here. These were the ones we bought. They look, as you can tell, really clouded. I believe what the previous owner may have done was plasti dip it black and they try to sand it down or something like that. That's why it's really bad. You know, we could always get sandpaper and sand it down, but instead of that, we went to the junkyard to pick up some really clean looking taillights off a wrecked Eclipse. So they look really good for 30 bucks. So right now, a few things to note. You're gonna remove the first one right here. One more right here, just little clips like that. And then you're gonna use a 10mm bolt for this one right here, this bolt. So my brother just removed the two clips using a hammer. Just use this end, basically just go underneath, just wedge it out. So we didn't catch that part on camera, but it's alright. And right now it's looking for a 10mm. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So we're gonna loosen, so it's a lefty loosey. Right, and the whole taillight assembly should come off. Oh, you're gonna disconnect then a wire inside as well. I'll just disconnect it. So to remove it, you would have to disconnect that right there. And he's going to disconnect that right now. There you go, easy. If you guys ever need it's really difficult for you to splice it. Pro tip, you could use pliers, very easy. Just pinch the part that comes out and it falls right off, really easy. So you got off the taillight assembly, it's that simple. Two clips, one 10mm bolt, and just unclip that, falls right off. Now that he has take out the taillight assembly, what he's going to do is just check the bulbs. If you need to replace any bulbs, this is the way to do it. So I would recommend you tightening this one. You see it's kind of loose, you didn't put it properly. Loosen it first. No, it's not flush. Yeah, there you go, that's flush. And then lock it.
Is this one?
Yeah, so twist and turn. There you go, lefty loosey. Is there any bolt?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the bulb's probably worn out. So let's just replace it.
Just pull out, right?
Yeah, so just pull it to disconnect. There you go, easy. I'll just throw that bulb away or put it somewhere else because it's not working anymore. And he has a spare bulb in there from the other tail lights, so he's gonna replace it.
Does this one work?
Yeah, the small one. Let's
This
try.
one?
So you're just gonna put
There's
it in.
another one that's milky.
Just try that one first.
Okay.
So what you can do to test it if it works, just put it in, just plug this. You don't even have to put this back in, just plug it and then just switch on your car. Alright.
Okay.
And then put it back inside. So righty tighty. There you go. Okay, so what I would recommend is just clip this part. You don't even have to put it back in there. Just clip it anywhere. Just clip it here, and then you can leave the taillight in the trunk, and then you can just switch on the lights, you know? As long as it's connected, it's gonna light up. Connect that together.
How do I get the neochrome to work?
I think that's reverse lights, I think. There you go. And then now you can just put in your key in the ignition, just switch on the lights. Actually, you don't even have to put in your key, just switch on the light. So we really like this neochrome bulb that came with it. Okay, let me see. So, yep, it works. So the bulb we are replacing, switch it on again, was this bulb right here. It wasn't working, so both bolts work. Awesome. Now we're just gonna replace it back. just stuff that wire, that white wire, into there's a little hole right there. Yep. And what it does is it kind of feeds through all the way, and then you can just connect those two clips. So we're trying to make sure fitment is flush on the tail lights.
There you go.
So you clip it back on the top. Clip on the top first. Is that what you did?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, so clip it back on the top first. You hear a
There
little clip
you
sound.
go.
And just gonna replace the bolts. That's much more flush.
Yeah,
thinking.
didn't do a good job yesterday.
This was too dark.
Yeah.
Put it in one clip. First clip in, and then you're gonna use a 10mm.
Where? Shit. Where's my other?
Is it that? That has to be the bolt.
No, the other one. Oh.
And then you're gonna put the bolt first time with 10mm.
Oh. Okay.
So 10mm.
Okay, it's
Ready,
definitely
tight?
losing.
You like it tight.